Hello, Miss Sonal. This is Princey here, Psychology Associate from Infigon Futures.
Hi, Princey. How are you? And thank you so much for having me here.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for coming here. And first of all, we would like to congratulate you for that you are a certified career counselor now.
My name is Sonal Bafna, and I am a teacher by profession, and my core subjects are math and science. So, apart from being a teacher, I am also a Zendoodle artist, and I conduct various workshops for children and adults too, with respect to Zendoodle. So, I am almost all the time around children and can connect with them very, very easily. So, in this journey of teaching, I really like to be around children, talk to them, know their challenges, what they are facing. So, overall, I enjoy this part of being a teacher and also their mentor. Yes, so this is very interesting. So, in this journey of teaching, I have noticed that this generation of children have immense potential and they are very, very talented, right? But still, I have seen many of them struggling and confused about their futures as, they are exposed to too many options these days.
Yes.
Okay, so there is no clear vision in front of them, and this genuinely bothers me because I was in the same situation when I was a student, okay, and my career journey was not a linear one. Okay, so education wise, I am an engineer. I've done my engineering in information technology, but I have left that field quite long back because I realized that I was not comfortable in that profession. There was no work life balance for me in that. So, and apart from that, I always had a deep connect to the education sector, and hence I pursued my BA to become a full time teacher. Okay, so as a teacher, many a times I was asked by parents, like, आगे क्या करवा सकते हैं हम हमारे बच्चों को, and all these questions related to their future. Okay, so here, because I knew that child very well, because I'm the teacher, right? So I knew that child very well, and I was aware of his or her abilities, so I could guide them. Okay, but later I realized that I can do it in a more structured manner, where I can reach out to more number of students to help them take informed decisions. Okay, so that is when I decided to do this career counseling. So that process of career counseling journey, it started out all from being a teacher. So as I said, this when I used to talk to parents, and they came to me about asking about the future of their children. So that was the thing where I thought that, can I give, I was giving advice, of course, but then that advice should be backed up strongly. It should have a strong support. What am I telling? That should be authentic. Okay, like, how do I judge whether he or she can pursue this career or that career? So that was the reason where I felt strong need that even I should be qualified. When I'm giving the advice, even I should be qualified, and I should have an immense knowledge of the same field, so that I can help people around. So yeah, when I decided that I have to do this career counseling, so I started to explore a lot of programs on Google with respect to career counseling, and came across many companies offering the same through through this search. So, but I was looking for certification program where there were many things in my head. I was considering, like, what is the curriculum or the content of that course, and whether it has a balance between the theory and practical application, and other instructors, they are qualified enough and experienced, and of course, is the course reasonably priced? Because of course, that is the important thing also when you are looking for any service that you need to buy, or any course that you want to do. So that was also one of the things, and I wanted a little flexibility because I'm tied up with my current profession, and I wanted a little flexibility with respect to timings, with respect to days, and I wanted an online platform only. So I was also looking for that, that flexibility of learning. And importantly, whether this whether this company or whether this certification program is recognized by any industry, or is there any accreditation for that. So that was, of course, the important uh, what you can say, important point for me while I was considering this course. Yeah, so this is very interesting. Again, as I told you that, I did not have many peers around me who were doing career counseling, or who were actually career counselors. So what I did was all, Google search. So I came across Infigon through Google search only when I was searching for the career counseling programs. And I was looking for a program that offered comprehensive training, and it should have access to resources and support for starting my own career counseling practice, right? So Infigon's website, when I landed upon to this Infigon's website, it caught my attention because, they had the focus, on the key features that I was looking for. So that's how this program appealed me. And, I thought that, I should talk to Infigon in an elaborate way so that I can discuss about this program. So there were a lot of things, that I found valuable in this Infigon's program. Firstly, it is a comprehensive curriculum. It covers a wide range of topics, from understanding career development theories to assessments and delivering effective counseling sessions. So we always had, mock sessions. So that was a very interesting part. And then the instructors were very knowledgeable, and they were experienced professionals who shared their expertise and insights, which was it was really, really nice to have an instructor like Lakshmi ma'am. So that was also really, really valuable. Then the program emphasized on practical application through case studies. This was a very important thing, like it wasn't all theory. We did a lot of case studies, we did role playing as well, and there were simulated counseling sessions. So this was also one of the things that I can highlight about this course here. And even after completing the training, Infigon provided support continuously. Till date, it is providing, and through mentorship or networking opportunities and access to resources. So that ways, it's a great thing. Otherwise, we have seen many companies. Once you do the certification, it's tata bye bye. That's the end. Right. So, but here it was like, still today, we are in touch. Like, even if I have any doubt, I can, connect to any of the RMs, or I can connect to, the trainer personally. So that ways, this is a very, very valuable thing that Infigon has provided apart from the training. And and it always provides valuable guidance on setting up, career counseling practice. As I told you that I was looking for for a company that, not only gives us the certification, but it also helps us to support, how can we establish our own, how can I establish my own practice here as a career counselor? So Infigon has given us that platform here where, it can be either marketing or client acquisition or financial management, whatever it is, it has provided support to us in that respect as well. So yeah, the program is quite valuable with respect to all these points that I have, witnessed. Infigon, it has provided us with a website and access to an admin panel. So the website allows students to create accounts and complete the 5-dimensional psychometric test that we provide. And the admin panel lets you manage the student profile, track the progress, download the reports. So this is one of the good things with respect to tech here. And also we have a real-time interaction with the Infigon's R&D team for customer query or any management, or and the resolution for the same. So this is a really nice thing that Infigon has provided us here. If I want to talk about Infigon's product, so psychometric test or the psychometric assessment platform is the key product. It is the hero because it is allowing detailed assessment of the student. Then the website and the admin panel are also very user friendly, and they provide good foundation for managing students' accounts and progress. So overall, Infigon offers a valuable product and comprehensive delivery, providing entrepreneurs like me who are just the beginners with the tools and support that we need to succeed in our career guidance industry. So it is really, really very helpful, and they're coming up with many other bots, like we have this skill development bot, we have the career library and all. So that is also very, very useful, because children and parents can explore themselves as well. There are 1300 plus career options, as we say, so they can explore it themselves as well. And these are the very, very important tools, or that Infigon has provided us with. The enrollment process was quite easy, and it was free flowing, and it was formal. Actually, it typically started with an online application form where you had to fill your educational background or prior experience and other details. Then once the application form was reviewed, we had a counseling session on phone with one of the representatives from Infigon to discuss the program details and any questions that we had. And after completing the enrollment formalities, we received the confirmation and access to the program resources. So it was very smooth, and no bumps or no hiccups in that. Yes, of course. So the website that Infigon has created is firstly very, very intuitive and very easy to navigate, making it simple for students as well as parents, to create accounts and access the test. So the website generally is responsive across different devices, that ensures a smooth experience for all kind of users, maybe on the smartphones or tablets or iPhones. So it is smooth on all the platforms there. And the main highlight of the website is the career library, which I just mentioned, and the skill development bot that gives you detailed information on whatsoever career you want to choose, or you want to find out more about that. So it gives you a detailed information, and you become aware of so many career industries that are there, and we are sometimes it goes unseen, but this career library, it brings them all together in one roof, so that you can have detailed information on anything that you want as a career. My target age group for counseling will be 12 to 20 years, as these are individuals who will be entering into the real world, and I would be really, really happy to help them in this transition, so that they make well-informed choices for their future and betterment, and they don't land up in any chaos like I was, because those were the foundation years, right? And I don't want these foundation years for any of the individual to be wasted when there is so many when there are so many opportunities and so many resources available. So yeah, my target age group would be 12 to 20 years. So far there are challenges in this career counseling journey, because I have witnessed few of the challenges, like many students are not sure about their interest values or their career goals, and they may feel overwhelmed by number of options and lack of clarity about their future. So here what do we do, or specifically what do I do? Of course, this assessment tool is quite helpful to us, because it helps the students to gain the self-awareness and be more confident. Okay. And so when children are not so clear about their goal, of course this assessment tool helps us a lot. But there are other things, there are other challenges as well, like students who face pressure from parents or peers, or and the society to pursue certain careers. So even in today's age, when there are so many options available, I have seen many students who are facing pressure from their parents, like you have to do this, if the child wants to do XYZ career, parents are forcing to pursue something else, right? So here the career interest of parents and children, they are not aligned, right? So here what do? I educate students about the importance of making the informed choices based on their own goals and their values, and develop an effective communication strategies to navigate these pressures. So these are few of the challenges that I have come across as a career counselor. So I think in India there is intense focus on examinations and the pressure to succeed, which can result in significant stress and anxiety for students, which we are hearing a lot often today. So for this, encouraging a holistic approach to education, which emphasizes the overall development of the child beyond academics, is very, very important. Children should, they should have the love for learning and not find it as a burden, right? So this will also encourage them to explore diverse fields. So this is one of the problem. And secondly, I feel that despite that, as a as a country, we are progressing, right? But the access to quality education still remains a significant challenge, particularly in rural areas and underprivileged communities. So, and this can be solved by building good infrastructure in such areas, maybe so that even teachers, find these places reachable. Because what is happening these days, even if you put up a school in some rural area and there is no means of transportation, teachers will not be, they will not find it, or they won't go there, right? And if there are no good teachers, what is the point of having a good school there, right? So there has to be, like, we need to develop, these places should be reachable, right? And we can explore more options for alternative learning, like, there can be online platforms so that the learning can happen anyways, even if the teacher is not present physically. Like, children should not be bounded to that. Even if the teacher is not there, we can have online classes. And after COVID, I think online thing has made it really, really smooth, and people are now they are more open towards online learning as well. I am available online. As you can see, the name of our company is Promising Careers, and they can also connect to me via my mail, that is promisingcareers05@gmail.com, and of course they can visit our website, which is promisingcareers.infigon.in, wherein they can schedule a session so that I can connect with them directly. Of course, I will highly recommend it to others because, as I said, it offers a comprehensive learning, right? The content part is very, very useful, the practical application, and of course, the resources that Infigon has provided us, it really boosts our confidence. You don't feel like, oh, I've just completed my career counseling course. Now what to do, how to approach people. So this is not the case. You're very clear what you have to do. You have the resources, they provide you continuous support with client acquisition as well, as I told you. So there is no two ways, there are no, I'm not in two minds when I have to refer anyone who wants to do career counseling. Infigon is the first thing that will come in my mind, and I'll suggest that.